So one of the things that you can do is import out Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Photoshop element files directly as well. So to do that, under Project Assets, if I were to go around and double click, then over here on my desktop, you can see that I got a Photoshop file right here. Or this can be a Photoshop Elements file as well. Both are supported. So once I click on this and click on open, then what happens is that this is loaded out, as you can see right here. And this is a Photoshop file right here. So it's in the form of an image right here, as you can see, and you can directly start working around with it right here. So whatever is there, so what you can do is you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here and right click, as this is a Photoshop file, I got an option to edit original as well. So once I click on this, what actually happens is that it opens up the Photoshop application itself, as you can see right here. As I right click, I can directly access out the application. So it is starting the application, as you see right here. And over here, I am in Photoshop. So if I were to go around over here and make some changes, so let's just go around and make changes by changing out the color right here, just like this, and by pressing save. So let me just go around and save this out as well. So I just did. So once I do that, I can simply go around and close this out. So this is what I have, as you can see right here. So now I edited out the original file over here. So now what I can simply do is I can go around and then replace out the footage right here, just like this, and select out, and you can see that that is what you have. So that is how you can go around and directly import out Photoshop files and then go to the Photoshop editor directly by clicking on Edit Original from the Project Assets panel in Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.